Hello everybody and welcome back. Adobe Photoshop Elements has an excellent photo editor, but I have very little time for the Organiser. I don't find it terribly reliable and it's just a bit of a pain. However, all is not lost. Adobe also make a program called Bridge, which comes bundled with Adobe Photoshop. But when you first installed Photoshop Elements, you created an Adobe account, and all you have to do is sign into your account, download Creative Cloud if you haven't already got it, and then you can use Bridge free of charge, no problem at all. And Bridge is far superior to the Elements Organiser. It just works really well. There are loads of videos on YouTube showing how to use it, and it's certainly something that I would recommend. So give it some thought and dump the Photoshop Elements Organiser once and for all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you again sometime.